Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a snowstorm from February 2nd. How am I supposed to walk up this? Oh my. Get. Come on. How are you supposed to walk with this?
Yeah.
You can't walk up. Look.
The door's not even. The door's stuck open.
Look at this.
Okay, we'll make a way. Come on.
Where did you even have the steps?
The door's stuck open. Okay, steps here. Okay, there's a step here.
Oh, here, step here.
Step here. Step here.
Oh my God.
Oh,
The storm's passed.
oh my God. I thought that the normal storm was.
Hold me close. I'm doing this, Michael. I'm doing this.
In
Hold it.
1949 was working.
This is crazy. And also, here's a snowman I made a cord one time ago. You can't see ice this snowstorm. Yeah, it's kind of covered. Yeah.
If you think this is too much, in 1949 they had snow up to the roof of
This
the
is
houses.
too much.
No, they have snow up to the roof.
If I drop the iPad in, I can't even walk.
Look how deep I am!
Look how deep I am. Look, Michael, look at me.
Look at me!
Oh my God.
Oh, look!
Another step. Up. Look at this. Ow. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna go up this. Whoa! Michael! I can't even walk in this. I have the camera. You hold this?
Huh?
Come get this. Here. Yeah, so I can't walk up this mountain. It's too hard.
By the time you get to school, stay out of the snow.
So this is snow, so I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.